你们好，你们好吗？欢迎来到我的课堂，我叫 Love It. Hello guys, how are you? You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my class. My name is Love It. We have been doing introduction presentation. We started with how to ask people their name as well as say ours. Then we moved on to how to ask people where they're from, their nationality, as well as say where we're from. Then we continued with how to ask people what they do, the job they do, work, as well as say what we do. I taught us how to ask, what do you do in Chinese? I also taught us how to reply, how to say what we do. I taught us how to say, I am a student of what type of school. I taught us how to say, I am a teacher in what kind of school. And then I taught us how to say, I am a doctor. I gave you guys an assignment and asked you to tell me 3 other professions. You all did great. You all impressed me. In fact, I learned a lot from the submissions I got. Some of you asked me, why didn't you talk about business? You only talked about careers. How do I say I am into business? I do business. I am a business person. It dawned on me that really I did not talk about business. So I am going to be talking about business today. I will be rounding up on the last topic today. And without wasting much time, we will go to the board. It means our class is about to begin. And how do we say it? 现在我们上课，我们上班. Here is our board. What do you do? 你做什么工作? We already learned that 你 is you. And you can say nin, you can add n to make it nin, and that nin is just formal. But this can go. 你做什么工作? 做 is to do. 什么 is what. 工作 is work. That is how to ask, what do you do? And in reply, you say, 我做生意. If you want to say you do business or you are into business. We have looked at how to say I am a student, I am a teacher, I am a doctor. So, those of you who asked me, please talk about business. How do I say I am into business? How do I say I do business? This is how to say you do business. 我做生意. You can also say 我做买卖. 我 is I. 做 is to do. 生意 is business. 生, not sheng. Some of you say 学生. So it is supposed to be 学生. 七u e 学生. This one is 生意. As usual, we're writing the characters together. We start with 我, 做. And here, I have to point out something. The character I used for 做 in the last class is the wrong character. The character I was supposed to use is this one. This 做. You write 10. This is the character for 10, if you remember. And then this character they call ko. Don't bother yourself about the name. We will do the name when we get there. Did you watch me while I was doing this? This duo is the duo I was supposed to put here. But this is the duo I put. This was the one I wrote. Now, the mix-up is because these two mean almost the same thing. This one means to engage in an activity. It even means to work. That is the duo that you have in gong duo. This duo. So this duo that means to do is the one that is supposed to be here and not this one. Please. The first thing you do for me is go to your notes, correct it. You saw how I wrote this character. You saw when I was writing it. Write this character in your notes. Erase the one you wrote. I already corrected it in the caption of that video because I posted it before realizing the mistake. So I couldn't delete it. I just went to the caption and corrected it. You helped me correct it in your notes. This was the duo I used. This one is not the one I was supposed to use. This is the one that will be in gong duo. Let's write shēngyì. Sheng is the same that is in sheng. This is how you write it. Shēngyì. We are written sheng. This is yi. Dot. I will write them according to the stroke order. I write all my characters according to stroke order. That is why I like you to look at me when I'm writing them. And then you do this, another dot, and do this, and this, you go like this, you close this, dot here, you do like this, you do like this, and do like this. This is shēngyì. 我做生意. I am into business, or I do business. There is another way you can answer this question, and that is 我做 my. 我 is I. 做 is to do. The same 做 you have here. 做 is to do. My. My means to buy. My means to sell. So you put them together, and what does it say? Buy, sell, which is buying and selling. So you can use this to say, I am into buying and selling. I am into business, or I do business. Now let's write the characters together. 我. We write 我 a lot. By now, I believe all of us should be able to just write 我 without any problems. 我做 this 做 我做. Are you looking at the stroke order? Are you looking at it? You go like this, go like this. 我做 my. Now this is my. Then you do these two dots here and here. Did you see that? You go like this, and like this. This is my, to buy something. It's a verb. Now this is my, which is to sell. The only difference here is that you are going to write this plus sign on top, like the number 10, and do like this. Exactly what you have here is what you will now do after writing that plus sign. The only difference is the plus sign. Can you see? Can you see they are the same characters, but just that this one has this plus on top of it and this one does not have it. So this is how to say I am into buying and selling. 我做 my. I do business. Remember, this and this mean the same thing. Both of them mean I am into business or I do business. So this is where we will stop. Write this on your notes, please. This is like a conclusion on our previous class, on our previous lesson. And then I will post an audio to the group and you listen to it and tell me what you hear. You guys are so good, very good with the listening and speaking exercises. Keep it up like that. So let us write our 作业. I have told you what your 作业 is. Your 作业 is this note and then the audio that I will post on the group. Let's write 作业. This is it. 做. Yeah. 作业. That will be all for this class. 现在我们下课 and 再见.